Hey, it's Doug Katz, your Divorce Mortgage Pro, with another in my educational video series on how to obtain a mortgage during a divorce and what to think about. Today I'm going to talk about income, and income is an interesting topic. There's a lot of things I could cover, things like alimony and child support and other really specific things to divorce I'm talking about in later videos. Today I'm just going to talk about regular employment income. And this is a really important thing when you've got someone re-entering the workforce. Maybe they were a stay-at-home parent and they're re-entering the workforce and trying to qualify for a mortgage. And it's not always as easy as you think to quantify how much money that you make. Now, you may not have even started the job. And I want to start with that. There are often times that we can get a mortgage done with just an offer letter and maybe a pay stub to show you started the job. But generally, you are going to need to show pay stubs and a W-2 if available. We're also typically going to get a verification of employment from your employer that shows the exact numbers that you make to be able to document that income and use it. With things like base income or straight hourly income, it's usually not that difficult. We're going to look at that pay stub and we're going to know how much you make because it's a standard amount. If you work 40 hours a week on a regular basis, we're going to be able to look at that and qualify it that way. If it's base income, similar. The challenge becomes with things like variable income, bonus, commission, overtime, and especially self-employed income. In any of those situations, it is most common in the industry that you are going to need to show a 2-year history and you're going to be evaluated on a 2-year average, which can really throw things off. Now, you could have been the greatest salesperson ever before you dropped out of the workforce and moved actually into the same industry with the same company. But if you've had that break and don't have that 2-year history, there's not enough recent past performance for an underwriter or an institution to evaluate what your future performance will be. And as a result, you need those 2 years. Things like overtime are the same way. And I can't tell you how many times clients are disappointed when they come to me and they say, here's how much I make. And I start looking through the documentation and it's not necessarily so in the eyes of an underwriter or an institution. Now, this is why it's really important to work with someone who knows what they're doing and knows how to look at your particular situation to maximize your income. As I said, most situations require 2 years, but not all. And there are some programs out there which may allow less than 2 years or may look at your income differently. This is where all lenders are not created equal. And since your situation is likely a very different one, you got to plan for that and work with the right lender and the right institution to maximize that situation. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to me at dkatz@divorcemortgagepro.com or go to my website at www.divorcemortgagepro.com. As always, you can also give me a call at 708-406-9092 and I can answer any questions that you might have. Now, I want to take a short second to talk about something I'm going to be talking about a lot in the future that we're rolling out called the Split Ready Survey. And the Split Ready Survey is an expansive survey that covers not only housing but other aspects of your situation. I put it together with some other great industry professionals, leaders in the industry to find out if you're split ready. It covers financial, it covers housing, it covers all the things that you need to consider before you make that leap to know if you're ready to make that leap or what you need to do to get ready to make that leap. So it's on my website at www.divorcemortgagepro.com. If you're thinking of getting divorced or separated, I really encourage you to take the survey so that you know whether you are in fact split ready. Thanks so much. We'll look forward to giving you more information in the future, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.